this brand new townhouse in Mandaluyong near Bonnie Avenue. But first, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. Of course, we're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. My name is Julia, and welcome to another Presello open house tour. Okay, so right now you're seeing me, for scale, stand on the dining area. Now this is on the ground floor, and this is your main entrance. Sayang lang because, like I said, it's brand new to the point that it's not even done. Hindi nyo tuloy makita ito. Because as you can imagine, this is glass, diba? So this one looks out into your 2-car port. Tapos kung maaraw pa, papasok yung ilaw. But I can't show you right now. But hopefully, when you do decide to go here for yourself, may kita nyo na. Okay, so this is again your main entrance, and over to the side, you have your kitchen area. So it's basically an alley or isang counter, ano lang siya. This is your counter space. And you have all of this storage. But it does not at all feel cramped. Apart from the fact na puro salamin to, nandito kasi yung window, and this one looks over or onto your 2-car port. Now, meron pang construction na nangyayari, so please excuse all the materials and workers that you see. So yon. Maybe we can show some B-rolls of the 2-car port, but for now, this is what we have. Okay, and then over here, again, this is your dining area, not your living room. Yung living room nyo, mamaya nasa taas. So you have here some storage or some display. And this is storage under the stairs. Laki niya. And this is your huge utility area. So you have your sink. This is where you, this is the provision for your laundry machine, or rather your washing machine and your dryer. And syempre, you can hang around some laundry lines in here. So yeah, you have lots of open space here. You have this really nice steel door. At glass pa yan, ah. It's not your typical analog door. And you have a powder room over here with a sliding door to save space. May ilaw ba? Ay, walang ilaw. Oo nga pala. Okay, so that basically covers your first floor. Let's go up to the second floor. Please excuse the cardboard na lang kasi yun nga, since ginagawa pa siya, iniingatan yung hardwood. Pero hopefully nakikita nyo rin because the wood used is really, really nice. Okay, so upon reaching the second floor landing, dito nyo palang makikita yung living room. So you've got lots of space here. Basically turn it into your family room. Yeah, so you've got enough windows, you've got your provisions, and as you can tell, it's really bright kasi pumapasok yung araw sa loob. And then you have your master bedroom. So you have your ensuite toilet and bath. Sensya na po, walang kuryente as of now. So hindi natin bubuksan yung ilaw. But hey, at least you can see the bed space area. It's huge. You have your built-in closet. And tama ba? Or did I lock it? Ayun, tama. You have this access to your balcony. Now this one looks over to the front of your house, so you can see your community, and it's a really nice and gentle atmosphere. So it's the perfect place to raise a family. Yeah. Also, I really, really like this door. So it's PVC, plastic if I'm not mistaken. So it's the same material used in your generic sliding glass windows and doors, etc. But it's treated with this wood finish, and it looks really, really premium. Okay. Pero parang ganito, but better. Mas makapal and mas firm. There we go. Okay. And this is the other window on this floor that really lets the light in. And I'm sure you noticed dun sa may stairway. Puro bintana din. So, ang liwanag niya. As we reach the top floor, you'll notice na maliban sa mga bintana, you also have this really nice ceiling that adds to the entire feel of this staircase area, and my provision for a lighting fixture. So ideally, you'd want to put something in there that's more like a drop light or a chandelier, just to make it pop even more. make it look more interesting and really nice and bright during the night. Okay, so this house and lot has 95 square meters of lot area and 270 square meters of floor area. And again, 3 stories. So as we go down this hall, and over to our right, we have bedroom number 2. So lots of space. You have this window over here that looks out into your utility area. And then this window looks out into bedroom number 3, which I will show you later. And you've got all of these wardrobe space. We're not showing ensuite toilet and bath because you have a common one right here. And as you reach bedroom number 3, okay, this one is slightly darker since the sunset is on the other side. But yeah, this window looks out to bedroom number 2, and then this one looks out into the front of the house. And you also have these slits with glass blocks in it just to let in more light, but still maintain your privacy. And bedroom number 4, which is personally my favorite, because it has these really nice corner windows. You have a nice vantage point. You can really see your community, and it's breezy. You can turn this one into an office actually if you don't need any more bedrooms. You have a lot of provisions as well. So it's really up to you what you want to do with this space. What would you do? Comment down below. Would you turn this into an office, especially since you have all of this vista to look onto or over? Or would you rather have this as a bedroom? I mean, do you really need 4 bedrooms? Comment down below. So the master bedroom, by the way, also has a heat or smoke detector. And if you'll notice here, dito sa may family room, meron siyang abang na pipes. So I don't know, I think if you want, you could set up a bar in here if you wanted. So at least meron kang ganong option. But again, the provisions for the entertainment system is here. And yeah, so you've got 4 bedrooms, 3 floors. You've got 3 toilet and baths, 1 powder room, and then you have a separate maid's quarters. So the maid's quarters is outside. Yung access niya dun sa 2-car port, which I wasn't able to show you earlier, but hopefully this will. B-roll. Okay, and yeah, again, 2-car port, and then all of this in a really nice community in Mandaluyong. Take note, this is near Bonnie Avenue. So you're gonna be near schools like Good Shepherd. What else is, basically since this is in Mandaluyong, you'd have easy access to San Juan, which is, well, it's gonna be a drive away, but it's relatively near Xavier, Obi Montessori, Ika, good hospitals like Cardinal Santos, Polymedic, etc. So if you wanna see this place for yourself, or, you know, better yet, if you know someone who's looking for a house and lot here in Mandaluyong, if that's you or if that's your friend, please do share our videos to them because it really helps everyone who is in need of a house and lot like this one. Or better yet, just go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.